Welcome back. Now, as we edit and wrap up our document, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our review area. We're going to track our changes. What we're then going to do is make sure that the only thing that we have showing is going to be the document, yet with no markup. We're then going to do our spelling and grammar check by clicking this link. We're going to accept this change. We're going to ignore this change. We're going to accept this change. We're going to ignore this change. We're going to accept this change. We're going to accept this change. We're going to accept another change. We're going to accept this change. And now our spelling and grammar check is complete. What we're going to now do is we're going to pick a different style. We're going to center justify this title. We're going to put in a page break, so we're going to need to go to the insert command and put in a page break. We now want to take this last paragraph. We want to make this our conclusion. So what we're now going to do is we're going to place our cursor here again. We're then going to insert a page break. We're going to make this area last. We know from the bottom that we have 762 words. What we want to do is we want to see how long our conclusion is. You'll see that we have 69 versus the 762. We can also check that word count from the review pane. It'll give us the same information. We can close out of that. What we now want to do is we want to compare it to the original document. So we're going to go to this compare area. We're going to click compare. We're going to go to the revised document. And in order to see comparison, we'll need to close the revisions pane as well as the navigation pane. And then we'll be able to look at our document in comparison to the original document. In order to do that, what we can do is we can show no markup for either document so that we can look at a proper comparison. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.